Hi, one sec, my message. Wait, there we go. Today we're my friend's privacy. I didn't even know. I think it's hers anyway, unless it's mine, but I remember joining hers. So we're here. Can you open this gift I got? I got it. Okay, that's fine. Oh, I already have it in my I know I'm poor, but like, I don't. I don't. And this is like, I hate this shark. But yeah, this is my first video, and I hope it, that I'm gonna be posting on laptop if it works. Because last time it says sorry, this is like it was restricted. I'm really not remember what it said, but I can't remember. But I know it should be restricted because it should not nothing bad. It was just me taking care of my webcam pets. Well, pet. Only one pet. I'm stuck. Go. There we go. Have you guys? No, you're not gonna say it. Gotcha hat. I'm just gonna say gotcha hat, because boy oh boy, I was watching It's Ben, because like he's kind of funny when it comes to gotcha hat, or just gotcha cringe in general. So I was watching. And it was gotcha hat video got recommended to me. And I don't know what to do about it now, guys. And I'll probably think online. Also, if you're wondering if there's noises in the background, it's probably just my sister's. You know, she's watching YouTube right now. And I know it's kind of like a voice reveal, but then again, it's not, because like, what's that? What's that? Yep, I'm just so scared of brothers using my microphone. I was confused on what's happening. Yeah. But like, I think this is gonna be cool. Like, this is my first Roblox video other than Roblox if it gets posted. Other than if it gets posted. Oh my god. This is my first Adopt Me video ever on laptop. If it gets on laptop. If it ever gets posted, let's hope it does, because I need to run a few. Oh, he was thirsty. I'm not gonna pick my camera pet now, am I? Here, take some water. There you go, pet. You want it? No. I'm about to take some camera pets. Yay, it's happy now. I wonder if this like still get the same screen recorder I'm using right now. But today we're just gonna hatch an egg, maybe buy some gifts, something. I really don't know what we're gonna do today. Like, what the heck? Yeah, I don't care. This is just like a screen thing that comes very unhandy whenever I'm filming a video for a test, because like this is my first ever test video, other than the other two I tried. One I saved in the wrong place. Two, one I uploaded to YouTube, which doesn't work. I can't get it to work for some reason if it does work. Two, it was restricted for some reason. I think it said it was restricted, so let's just hope. But I'm gonna put that egg hatches. What are you listening to him for account? But I know I was an account. And I know because I was able to get in easy peasy lemon squeezy. You know what annoying of people. Anyway. I'm not too young for an account. I'm allowed, okay? Let's say I'm not. But like, so can I climb up here with the pet egg? Or, anyway, maybe if I hop onto the. No, I was almost there. This is me just waiting for my egg tag. This is kind of like what I do in the normal Adopt Me. And Laura is saying since I posted a Roblox video, I'm going to turn it into a Roblox video channel thingy. I don't know what to call it, but I'm not. I'm just going to post random things because like I added a description today, and if you want to go check out the you can go check it out, and you'll see that it's not just gonna be Roblox, and it already is Roblox. But this is my second video. If it gets posted, I've said that already. And you're saying this isn't my avatar? This is my avatar? Push on, push on, push on, push on, push on. I used to have so much Robux, and now I'm down to 3,000. You know, I need more, but like, spent it all on diamonds. I know how high. I've never posted a real high video. Maybe if this works, I'll post one, but yeah, that will be a treat if I get to post it, of course. But if you would like that video up, then just tell me. I traded away Flyride slots to a person I know for this, and he said it was never putting back in the game, but then he realized it was coming back in the game. But I don't know if you can get it now. There's been trading since the pets thing. No, the toys from the box. The gift boxes have been updated. You know what that is? I watched that on that too much. I really want him to age up already. Abby! Hi, I'm posting a video. Would you like to say hi? Okay, Abby doesn't want to say hi. Abby, please say hi. Why? They know your voice already. You've been on my channel. I'm feeding my pet now, and I don't know why Abby came in here. Who just did? She actually has her own channel. You should go. Oh, guys, I found a cat. I found a cat. I don't come to tell you. That's my sister trying to be edgy, but yeah, that is all for today. I think since this is just a test, I actually hatched my egg. So bye bye.